Let's also look at this image where we see the same color opposites that we've talked about, blue and yellow, and they work very well in making this not a very monotonal image. If you took away the yellow and just worked with the muted wood texture and whites and blues, this would tend to feel like a kind of monotonal image. But as soon as you add in the yellow, that opposite on the color wheel, you get a much more interesting image. And if I add a little saturation into those yellows, and I could even darken them a tiny bit, then we get even a better equilibrium between the blue and the yellow because they're similar in hue, similar in saturation and tonality. So this sign painter knew what he or she was doing because they used these opposites in the color wheel, introduced this hue contrast into this sign, and that works very well for the viewer in attracting the viewer and making the sign appealing, albeit the sign could use a recoat of paint, of course, but we're looking at something that is fun. It says something about the content. The ice cream is cold, so we have that cool emotional response from the blue color, and the yellow doesn't really alarm us, whereas if the dollars were in red, that might make us think, ooh, that's a lot of money.